Welcome to the Surprise Farms community, a hidden gem in Arizona, where family fun and adventure await. This stunning home at 17314 West Marshall Lane offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 2,205 square feet of spacious living. Listed at $515,000, this property features an oasis backyard, modern amenities, and proximity to local parks and schools, perfect for family living. Step inside to discover a spacious layout designed for comfort and convenience. The open-concept living areas are perfect for entertaining. Surprise Farms is a family-friendly community with several parks equipped with playgrounds, splash pads, and sports courts. These parks are great for a family picnic or a fun day out with the kids. If you're in need of some retail therapy, you'll love the proximity to local shopping centers and a variety of dining options. From casual cafes to fine dining, there's a spot for every craving just a short drive away. The neighborhood is known for its peaceful and friendly environment. Residents take pride in their well-maintained homes and active community spirit. It's a place where neighbors become friends and families thrive. Experience the best of family living at Surprise Farms. Schedule a visit today and make 17314 West Marshall Lane your new home.